Do you need to add a fade-in or a fade-out effect to your videos and projects in CapCut? Well, you came to the right place. I'm going to show you how to add those effects so you can fade into your videos from black, or you can fade out at the end of the video. This will work on both iPhone or Android devices, and the first step that we will do is to open the CapCut mobile app and then create a new project and add the video to your timeline. Adding the effect is really simple, so just follow my steps. Click on the video in your timeline to select it, and you'll get a couple of different options at the bottom. We will select the Animations option, which will show us a menu with a couple of different animations which we can apply to our video. You'll see a In, Out, and Combo section. For the first animation, make sure that the In is selected, and then scroll through these animations until you can see the fade in animation. After you select the animation, a little slider will appear over our screen where we can select the duration of our animation, or how long we want the animation to last. I'll set the fade-in animation to last around 2 seconds. And the steps are the same for the fade-out animation. Select the Out option right here, then select the fade-out animation in the menu. And the last step is to select how long you want the fade-out animation to last. I'll set mine to around 1.5 seconds, and that's it. When I now play the video on my timeline, you can see that I have the fade-in and fade-out animation on my video. If you need more CapCut tutorial videos like this one, then check out the CapCut playlist from the description of this video, and make sure to leave a like on this video if this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.